Hi, Kelly Fitzmaurice here with the Cave Grant Group. We are in Cave Creek at this beautiful home that was built in 1985. It is 4,600 square feet. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 of them being master suites, and 3.5 bathrooms. In addition to that, the lot is 1.6 acres on this property. It's a Santa Fe treat. Take a walk with me and we'll just keep on going through this property. Look at those gorgeous mountain views. Over here you have the garage, really a great space for parking and entertaining as well. And you can see kind of the property perimeter here of the 1.6 acres. This is very much, as I was saying before, the Southwest Santa Fe feel to it. And as you come in, you have this grand entrance. You have the adobe fireplace, hardwood floors, and then you have 2 doors that are exiting out to the pool. Come this way and I'll show you the kitchen and the dining area. Here's the dining area. Take a look at the ceilings, the wood beams. This is just, once again, the Southwest feel right here, even the textures on the wall. And as we go in here, we're in the kitchen area. This home, with a little love and care and a little bit of updating where it's located at, would just be a fantastic investment for you. So once again, here's the kitchen. They got a sub-zero refrigerator. You have a gas stove, which is great. Over here, you've got the laundry room, of course. Follow me down this hallway here, and we're gonna go into one of the first bedrooms. Cool thing about this house is they really did think about having en-suites in every single bedroom. So you have an ensuite and a closet here. Nice sized bedrooms. Look at that brick detail. So as I was saying before, this property is priced appropriately. Call us for more information about that. We're going to go outside here to take a look at the deck. So follow me this way. This beautiful patio out here. Great place for entertaining. We put the biggest dining table out here. You've got the ceiling fan already there. You have the swimming pool, but just a great area for dining and entertaining. We'll go back in this way. We'll go into the first master suite here. This master suite is very big. It actually has a his and hers bathroom. So I'm gonna call this his. This is his bathroom because it does have a shower. Go ahead and take a look. And then we have a his closet as well. So you can see that they used a lot of the space in this master suite with the 4,600 square feet. Now we have her closet right here. And we have her bathroom right here. We've got the tub here. They did a really good job in putting in all that Santa Fe detailing. So with a little bit of paint and some new carpet and some new appliances, you're gonna have a really great home. This is the master suite here. Look how big and spacious this room is. Look at the wood detail. And once again, you have another adobe fireplace and you have French doors leading out to the pool. Now, as we're going back through this grand hallway in the master, I mean this, I love the bones of this home. I love the layout of it. All you need to do is to paint, add a little different carpet, maybe some different flooring, but it's just such a great layout. Here you have the wet bar for entertaining. You have a little side patio with a waterfall. And you're still seeing that 1.6 acres there. follow me back in this way. You also have the adjoining office. Now, going back through the great room here, we're going to go into the other master suite. It's on the other side of the house, so that's another great thing about this floor plan that I love, is that it is completely separated. So as we go into the second master here, once again, you have the adobe fireplace. You have your own patio, which is really nice. You have the ensuite bathroom and closet. Go ahead and take a look in the bathroom in there. I just love this home because it has so much character. And all the little details that were thought out. And I don't know if you got a shot of the outside there, but that's nice that you have your own separate patio. So now we're going back out to the hallway, which is going to conclude our tour of this home. And thank you so much for taking this little journey with us. This is our Santa Fe home in the Cave Creek area. Kelly Fitzmaurice, K. Grant Group.